Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to copy using your Brother printer. So there is two different ways to copy documents on your device. The first way is just to open the copying glass and wait a while and then show you. And here, as you can see, we have this arrow, and the left part of the document, left top part of your document should be on this arrow. So as you can see, this part of the document is here, and just place it in this way. And if you will place the document in this way, it means that your document will be copied in copied property. Okay. So then the second way is just to place your document. Oops, wait a while. I'm doing it using one hand. The second way to do this is to place your paper card here. And as you can see, the content should be on the reverse, of course, and place it in this way, and you can copy your document this way to copy, scan or something. Okay, so let's try to do this with this tray. Why sometimes better to use this tray? If we wanna copy several pages at the same time, for example, place it 10 pages on this tray and click copy, and it will copy several pages. For example, click copy. Wait a while, I clicked scan. Okay, I clicked scan, so sorry. Wait a while, why can't I? Okay. Stop. Okay, exit. Cool. So what should we do now? Click on this button, not this button, but this button. Okay, just copy. Quality. Choose the quality: normal or best. Paper type: plain paper, A4. Which automatically have some information. Just click this white button if you wanna copy in black and white, and this button if you wanna copy in color. For example, I want to copy in black and white, so I'm clicking this just on the white button, and as you can see, it's filling my paper card and printing the copy of my document. Cool. As you can see, here is the copy. And the same situation when I'm locating my paper card on the paper glass. Maybe it will be a little bit longer, but cool. I have another one copy, as you can see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.